Hello, my name is Stacy Settery and I'm MCCSC's Outreach and Innovation Coordinator. Today, as part of our mineral hardness investigation, we are going to look at several minerals and observe them closely. Each one has a label of A, B, C, or D. We're going to look at them closely and discuss what we observe. You should record your findings on the mineral observations chart. First, we'll look at A. Kind of looks a little bit like ice, or maybe even rock candy. You can see some lines within it. This is fairly smooth, but not necessarily evenly cut, you can see. Okay, so write down your observations about what you're seeing here. Now we'll look at B. B is also a similar color, but this is definitely not smooth. You can see some cracks through it. Okay, now we'll look at C. Similar color, but it's a little less opaque. This one is pretty solid. You can't see through it at all. It's also not smooth. This one reminds me more of a traditional rock that I would think of. You can see it's leaving some pieces on my hands too. And then D. D reminds me of A a lot, but this is pretty smooth. You can see the cut there, but the coloring is definitely different. Now, one of these four is quartz. What if I were to say, find the quartz? It's white. Would you know which one it is? Probably not, because there's several minerals that are white on this table. Sometimes geologists have this problem too. When they are trying to identify minerals, sometimes they look very similar. They look for other properties to help them identify the minerals.